What are we doing today, Garrett?
Taking out the NOS bottle.
Why?
Because we're going to sell it.
Also, don't ever call it nitrous. Don't call it NOS. You can call it squeeze, you can call it juice.
It says NOS.
I don't care. You can call it squeeze, you can call it juice, you can call it the poor man's whatever. Just please don't call it NOS.
That's what I want.
You can do what you want, but...
What am I going to call it then?
Spray is what I call it. And that's... What you doing, man?
I'm trying to figure out why that's that way. Interesting.
Yeah, it's just a bottle warmer.
I know that much.
You just roll the bottle out. Well, you gotta undo the line, but... Or I bet how much you want to bet that this wasn't here and it slides forward.
Slid right in. Yeah, that's the problem because there's a clamp on this side.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
Okay, alright.
That's what I was just...
10 years later. Also, if we ever want to take this thing to the track, we have to have a turn down on it where it'll spray down out from underneath the car.
Yeah,
there we go. Uh-oh, drop the nut. Probably want to take care of that rust while we...
Yeah, I said at some point I'm going to get in here with the sander and take care of all this rust.
Nope, we're filming Pop.
What now? It doesn't matter.
No, this is not even, yeah. This is basically just fucking we do that. These can stay, these come off, you unscrew these, and then this fucking...
That's an 8, those are 8 millimeters.
That's what it said according to the video.
According to the fuck stick. On the telly.
I don't want to know why that shit is so dirty.
Years of neglect?
I mean, I guess. It just seems like...
Hey. The fuck is that? Wow.
You wrapped it with rubber tape.
That's alright, check this out. Does this look familiar? House
wire.
Extension cord.
Wire is wire, but still. Yeah. Figure if you're gonna do this kind of shit, you would do it right. Smells like vagina back here.
No.
Yeah, both smell bad. Therefore, it smells like that.
Jim put it on there.
A few moments later.
What? Oh.
Hold that motherfucker right there.
Oh my god. Yeah, that whole tank's gotta come out. This is not good news, my friend. This is not good news. This shit has so much rust. Fucking hell.
Let me tell you something. I had to buy this whole thing for my four-wheeler. That's exactly what my four-wheeler did.
Yeah.
You're fucked. You gotta have a whole new thing.
Oh, let's see what that costs.
A few moments later.
Got in front of the tank. Your fucking trousers.
Yeah, broken hands. Nice. Wow, this is disgusting.
Yeah, 10 years worth of gasoline eating away at metals.
Hours. My hand. Yeah.
What's your problem?